Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my honest experience with a TV I've been using for a while. The TCL 65-inch T7 4K QLED HDR TV. I bought this from Amazon using the link in the description. So make sure to check that link for the best price and offers. From the moment I turn it on, the picture quality blew me away. Colors feel bright, vibrant, and natural. Movies and shows look like they're coming to life in the living room. Dark scenes aren't completely blacked out, and bright scenes feel sharp without being harsh on the eyes. Whether it's a sunny day or evening time, the picture stays clear and lively, which makes binge watching or gaming a real pleasure. Daily use is smooth and enjoyable. Streaming apps open quickly, and switching between Netflix, YouTube, or Disney Plus feels effortless. The interface is clean, and even people who aren't tech-savvy can navigate easily. Gaming and sports content feel fluid and immersive. Fast-moving scenes like football or action movies stay sharp with very little blur. The high refresh rate really makes a difference, and the TV feels responsive when connected to a console. No lag, just smooth gameplay. I also love the Dolby Atmos sound. Voices are clear and explosions or movie effects feel more immersive. For normal viewing, it's perfect. Though if you're a hardcore movie fan, a soundbar will make it even better. The voice remote with Alexa and Google TV makes life easier. I can instantly search apps, control volume, or open my favorite streaming services without lifting a finger. It's a nice modern touch. The design and user experience overall are excellent. The 65-inch screen really pulls you into whatever you're watching, and the combination of bright, crisp visuals and smooth motion makes everyday TV time feel premium. Watching movies, streaming content, or even casual YouTube videos feels more engaging and visually satisfying than my previous TVs. Overall, this TCL T7 65-inch 4K QLED TV is a fantastic choice for movies, gaming, and everyday streaming, especially if you want an immersive picture experience without overcomplicating things. If you're thinking of buying this TV, I've put the Amazon link in the description. Using the same link ensures you get the best price and genuine product. That's my honest experience with the TCL 65 T7 4K QLED TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.